Now, let's go and create some rules and permissions so the students cannot access the teachers and the teachers should not be able to delete the classes or edit the classes. Only admin can do this. And also, students should only view their own record, not all the list of the students. So, for that, we have to install a package, Spatie. So, let's go to Google and in here type Spatie/Laravel permission and click the first link from the Spatie. Let's open this. Now, after it open, we have to go to the installation in Laravel. Click this. Then in the installation, first we need to install the package by running this command. So let's copy this and in our project we have to paste. Then in the terminal we have to enter. Now let's wait until the installation is finished. Okay, so the installation is finished. Now let's go back, scroll down and copy this code to publish the migrations and config file. So let's copy this, paste it also in the terminal, enter. Okay, this one is also done. Now let's scroll down. Okay, we have to run optimize clear our cache, paste, enter, done. Now we have to run the migration. So let's copy this, paste again, enter, done. Now we have to add this thread inside our users model. So let's copy and let's go to our app HTTP and model, then user.php. In here we have to type has roles. And don't forget, if your ID does not automatically import, add this in the top of your class. Now let's go back and after this we have to go to the middleware. So in here let's scroll down. Here it's middleware. Let's click this and in here we have to register our middlewares as well. So in the package middleware, here we can see we have to define these middlewares inside our bootstrap/app.php. So let's copy everything from here up to this part. Let's copy and let's go to our app bootstrap. So bootstrap app.php and in our middleware in here we have to paste this. So paste, save. So the installation is done. Now we can create our permission and rules.